I just got the VOVO Premium Bidet seat. Let's install it and check it out together. In the box comes the actual bidet seat and all the hardware you need and the install guide. The first step is to turn off the water supply and then to separate the toilet hose using a spanner. Make sure to have a bowl to catch any water that might leak. Place the T-valve between the toilet and the toilet hose. This is what that will look like. Next, remove the toilet seat. Place this paper guide onto the toilet. Install the base bracket and place the fixing bolt onto the base bracket. For the back of the toilet, you have your rubber packing, your washer, and your fixing nut. This is what the bracket will look like once installed, along with the rubber pieces. Slide the bidet onto the bracket. Install the hose between the T-valve and the bidet and then turn on the water. And this is what the hosing will look like when completed. And lastly, plug it in. Once your bidet has been installed, you can decide where your remote control goes. You can either use the adhesives or the screws to attach it. Installing this bidet was so easy. The instructions are very clear and you get everything that you need in the package to actually install the bidet. The remote control that comes with the bidet is also very easy to use. You can easily control the water settings and the dry settings. And for each of the water and dry settings, you can control the temperature. So if you want hot water or cold water, you can control that. Or if you want cold air or hot air, you can also control that. You also have a seat temperature. So if you wanted to heat your seat in the winter, you can do that, which is a really nice feature. You also have turbo wash, UV sanitation, and nozzle cleaning. The UV sanitation is great because it'll sanitize the inside of your bowl. And the nozzle cleaning extends the nozzle out so you can easily clean it when you want to clean it. If you're ready to toss out your toilet paper and to have a premium experience on your toilet, then you definitely need the VOVO Premium Bidet.